Okay. Wait. If you know, you know.
Oh, we already started the video? All right. So I'm going to pull the Alfa out because I got a huge surprise. I've been waiting for this probably for 5 months, and it's been in the talk for probably 1.5 to 2 years, and it's finally here. But first, let's pull out the Alfa, and then I'll show you the big surprise. Cold start. Very dirty.
I didn't get that actually. Super secret. Ooh.
All right, so we just got the Alfa out, letting her warm up. We got a huge box here. As you can see, it's from GMS. This has been in the talk for probably 1.5 to 2 years. Put in the comments below what you can guess, what you think that this could be. A big, huge box like this. It can honestly only just be one thing. But let's open it up. Let's find out. It's really not heavy. It's pretty light.
Oh, it's really light.
It's yeah, it's really light because
I thought it was heavy.
100% pure carbon fiber. And it's gonna transform the look of this car. Not only the look, but the performance, because it's gonna add a shitload of downforce to the front of the car. And I can't wait. All right, so I guess let's put it this way. Pop it down. Oh, I think it's huge. I'm so excited. All right, well, actually, I need to get either scissors or a knife. Let's do that. You don't gotta record that. All right. So
Too late.
I couldn't find a knife or like a scissors, so I'm using this. All right, here we go. So should I tell them now what it is? I mean, it's a huge piece. DHL delivered it.
No,
two days ago, and I got home so late from work. It was like around 11 p.m. and I was just so tired. I didn't want to open this, you know, in the pitch black in the dark outside.
Plus, I wanted to be here.
And I wanted to make a video with Val and also to show you guys. So I waited an extra 2 whole days to open this up for everybody.
And we waited months for it to even get here.
And we waited 5 months because of for production.
I feel like it's been longer than 5 months.
But it's understandable, you know?
Well, yeah, they gotta make it.
It's a lot of work. They gotta make it and everything.
It came from Italy.
I think this is it. No, not Italy. They're right outside. They're
Whatever, close to Italy.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, shit.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Woo! That's right, boys and girls.
Wait, you don't see it. I don't know what it is yet. Well, I do know what it is, but they don't know what it is.
This is, wow, the GMS front carbon fiber hood. It kind of resembles like the 488 piece Ferrari hood because the scoop goes inside with the duct going in and everything.
You gotta take the plastic off.
Yeah, no, I gotta take everything off.
So we can see it.
Oh my God, it's so light. Unbelievable.
Carbon fiber.
All right, here we go. Wait, there's nothing else under this, right? Okay. Wow, very nicely packaged.
GMS sticker.
GMS, yeah. Rudy always puts some nice goodies in the boxes. Woo! Oh my God. It feels like a paperweight. That's how light it is. This hood is significantly lighter. I thought it was your brother.
I thought so too.
Significantly lighter than the stock hood on the Alfa. Show them the front hood. So picture this carbon hood on that car. It's gonna be sick. Wow. Yeah, me and Rudy have been talking about this for like 2 years. And I told him as soon as it's ready, please let me know. Oh my God. This is insane. Look at that. Oh, that's crazy. Look. Look, go in there, look.
The scoop.
Holy damn. All right. Wow. I'm like nervous and afraid to like handle this. I'm sorry about the lighting, that the lighting's not the best in here.
It's a garage.
But I'll bring this outside in the sun right after like this. Oh my
There
God.
she is.
Wow.
Very pretty.
I don't want to destroy the bubble wrap.
No, it's just so we could see it.
Unbelievable. Holy shit. Look at that. Dude, that's crazy. Wow. Rudy, great job. This is absolutely insane. Look at the scoop, how it goes in. All the air is going to be forced to go in, and it's going to push the car down. Extra downforce. And for ventilation, absolutely beautiful.
Okay, go.
Just want to show you.
Don't drop it.
I know. Just picture this carbon hood.
Actually, I mean, if you really want to just place it on there.
No, I'm not gonna place it on there. Are you crazy? I'm gonna put it on the grass. So it's gonna match. Check this out. It's gonna match the back wing and the back hood. Technically, the hood / trunk,
which is also
so that's
GMS.
Pretty cool. It's all gonna match, which is pretty sick. This is super light. I'm literally holding this with like 2-3 fingers. So I'm just gonna place this here. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that carbon weave. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, and then look at the underside. Look at that. Pure carbon. The big scoop on the inside. Wow. The entire team from GMS and Rudy, you guys did a fantastic job. Thank you so much. This is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to get this thing installed. Get it PPF so that there's no rock chips, because here in New York, Staten Island, the roads are horrible. And then actually feel the difference with the downforce of this hood. So very soon this is going to get installed. All right, I just turned the hood upside down just so I can show you guys the raw carbon fiber of this hood. Check this out. Pure carbon fiber, and the scoop that comes in, it reminds me of a Ferrari 488, how it goes in. Now this is for downforce and to help with the cooling so that the air can also get released to the bottom of the car. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful craftsmanship. Great and phenomenal work from the entire GMS team and Rudy. Honestly, I couldn't be happier. And very soon it's going to be going on the Alfa. So right now I have the AlfaRomeo 4C. It's a 2015. I had this car now for about 4 years. And as soon as I got it, I immediately purchased the rear carbon hood / trunk and the big wing, all from GMS. And honestly, the quality of the hood and the big wing is phenomenal. No imperfections. The quality is amazing, as you can see. The car is dirty right now, don't mind that. Even the big duck wing over here as well. Everything, looks beautiful. No imperfections, nothing bad, nothing negative. Even the back carbon piece over here, the louvers, everything's beautiful. And because of all this, I can see how good the quality is, how great it is. I trusted the entire GMS team and Rudy, and that's why I went ahead and purchased the carbon hood, because I trust them and their work,